Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM programs. First one is HubSpot and the second one is Freshworks, or as they rebranded themselves, Freshsales. We will go through some pros and cons. We will try to cover something more about these two CRM programs, and we'll go through some pricing plans, and then we'll try to find out which one is better, at least in my opinion. So let's start away with HubSpot, a forever free customer relationship management software that provides solution to all your CRM needs. HubSpot CRM automates the tasks for your salespeople, which allows more work with less data entry. The interactions are tracked down automatically, and separate visual dashboard displays deals for total visibility. Now handle up to 1 million contacts, users and storage without any expiration date, all of it without paying a penny. With HubSpot CRM, you can also send emails in a personalized sequence, which is delivered as per schedule you set. Get notified whenever any lead opens your email so that you know how to follow up with that particular lead. So it's very nice how they basically made 5 bundles: Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, CMS Hub, and Operations Hub, just to as they trying to personalize your approach. Like, if you want one bundle, you can go to pricing and basically check that bundle specifically. There are obviously the free one, but it's limited with features. It still has a lot of features, don't get me wrong, but they are limited. When we go into marketing bundle, you can see it starts at 1000 marketing contacts. You can pay monthly, or you can pay annually, and you will save up 10%. Then sales bundle, customer service bundle, CMS, and operations. They are pretty much every single one starts at 41 a month, except CMS. Also, they are making another type of bundles, which is basically something from everything. And that's very nice. If you need some cut from all of them in one package, they are trying to get a starter still at 41 euros monthly. 46 if you are paying month by month. HubSpot is really relying their features around integrations through, for example, Zapier, with other softwares like Salesforce, for example. So by using HubSpot, you can actually get the best features from Salesforce as well. So let's talk about Freshworks, or Freshsales as they claim. Freshworks CRM is a customer relationship management software for sales and marketing teams to help them with their day-to-day processes. The software generates 10 times more qualified leads and close deals faster. It creates landing pages in minutes and attracts visitors as well. It also tracks all pages, visits all actions of the visitors at the site to analyze and convert them into leads. Freshworks CRM provides all powered chatbots, offering relevant chat facilities with website visitors. It also creates tailored emails campaign besides generating cost-effective leads for sales. The Freddy AI feature of the software identifies businesses' best leads and focuses on converting them into sales. Freshworks CRM improvises revenue predictability with highly accurate forecasting. Its AI-based deal insights find the best deals to close in less time. The software nurtures leads with the help of target campaigns, support customers with useful information, and builds deeper relationship. They are providing those plans even for freelancers and individuals. And if we want to compare the pricing plans. They're also providing free trial. Then Growth, Pro, and Enterprise packages. So you have to firstly check them out, and what I strongly recommend is to try both trials for free and check their features. So get in touch with both CRM, both HubSpot CRM and Freshworks guys through sales, for example, or email, online, or by a call, where you can literally pick the country and find out which one is better. I really like Freshworks better. In my opinion, it can provide more for the money, and also it's easier to set up. Yeah, when comparing quality of ongoing product support, at least few reviewers felt that Fresh Sales is the preferred option, and I feel that as well. So, but the very nice thing that goes for HubSpot is that those integrations can make it very worth a buck. So if you have any questions, please leave them in our comment section. And if you like the video, press a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you.